In this 4-part deep work hack series, we will guide you step by step on how to master the techniques to achieve laser focus and turbocharge productivity by getting into the flow state, aka deep work, so you can do more in less time. The concept of deep work was coined by Cal Newport. It is the ability to focus intensely on a task without distractions, like a state of super concentration. And there are 4 hacks around this. Hack number 1 is building the foundation of focus, and it is a 6-step process. Step 1, designate your prime time. Everyone has a certain time of day when they're at their mental peak. This is your prime time. For morning people, the brain is freshest after wake-up. For night owls, creativity surges when the stars are out. Identifying these golden hours and protecting them for deep work maximizes productivity and the quality of output. Step 2, designate work location. Similar to time, a dedicated physical space acts as a cue to enter deep work mode. Whether it's a home office, a library nook, or even a specific chair, your brain learns to associate this space with serious, undistracted effort, creating a mental zone optimal for immersive work. Step 3, ritualize the start. Establish a consistent routine to signal the transition into deep work mode. This could be brewing a cup of coffee, meditating for 5 minutes, or playing a particular type of music. Such rituals signal to your brain that it's time to zoom in and facilitate the mental shift from normal activity to a state of deep focus. Step 4, ward off distractions. Like a fortress shields a treasure, your workspace must guard your focus. This means turning off phone notifications, closing unnecessary tabs, and clearing your desk of clutter. By eliminating the common culprits of distraction, you protect the sanctity of your deep work session. Step 5, make deep work a habit. Habits are the invisible architecture of daily life, and integrating deep work into your daily routine strengthens your ability to focus. By consistently dedicating time to deep work, it becomes a natural and expected part of your day, thus embedding a rich focus into your professional fabric. Step 6, capitalize on downtime. Deep work is an intensive activity that saps mental energy, necessitating quality downtime for recovery. It's not about the length of the work, but the depth. Give yourself permission for leisure time after intensive sessions. This isn't idleness, it's an essential part of the cognitive process that aids recovery and incubates ideas. Remember, it's about building a habit. Every day, same time, same ritual, 0 distractions. It's like muscle memory for your focus. Ready to unlock this superpower? In the next episode, we will explore how to make boredom your friend. Subscribe and see you in the next video.